Now we will discuss about the questions that is related to some of n terms of the AP. It means question is if S1, S2, S3 up to Sm are the sum of the n terms of m APs whose first term are 1, 2, 3 up to m and common differences are that is 1, 3, 5 up to 2m minus 1 respectively. So that S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm is equal to mn by 2, that is mn plus, right? In this question, S1 is the sum of first n terms of the AP, whose first term is, that is 1, and common differences are also 1. Therefore, suppose if you want to find the value of S1, in that case, in all APs, the number of terms is given n. Because of this, S1 is equal to, that is n by 2. This is 2a. It means 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 1. It becomes n by 2. This is 2 plus n minus 1. This is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the value of S1. Again, in second AP, the first term is given 2 and common difference is given, that is 3. Then in second AP, that is the value of S2 is equal to n by 2, because in this AP the number of terms is also n. Therefore, n by 2, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into difference is given 3. It becomes, that is n by 2. This is 4 plus 3n minus 3. It becomes n by 2. This one is 3n plus 1. Right? This is S2. Right? In S3, the first term is 3, but difference is 5. But number of terms, that is n. Therefore, the value of S3 is equal to n by 2. This is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then it becomes n by 2. That is 5n plus 1. This is the value of S3. Similarly, you can find Sm. Sm, in this AP, the number of terms is also n. Therefore, n by 2, that is 2a, but the value of a is given m plus n minus 1 into difference is given, that is 2a minus 1. It becomes n by 2. This is 2m plus n into 2a minus 1 and minus 2m plus 1, right? Then 2m and 2m gets cancelled. It becomes, that is n by 2. This is n into 2m minus 1 plus 1, right? These are the values of S1, S2, S3 and up to Sm. But we have to show that is S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm is equal to mn by 2, mn plus 1. It means I just take the LHS part of this question, that is LHS is given S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm. It means S1 is n by 2, that is n plus 1. Again S2 is given n by 2, it is 3n plus 1. S3 is given n by 2, that is 5n plus 1, right? It means LHS part is given, that is S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm. But the value of S1 is n by 2, n plus 1. S2 is already given, that is n by 2, 3n plus 1. And S3 is n by 2, 5n plus 1. But the value of Sm, this is n by 2, n into 2m minus 1 plus 1. But in this series, n by 2 I just take common, that is n by 2. This is n plus 1, that is the first term. This one is 3n plus 1, this is the second term. And that is 5n plus 1, third term. And this up to 2m minus 1 into n. This is the last term of this series. But this series is also given in AP because the difference between the two consecutive terms will be same. Therefore, n by 2, right? The number of terms in this series is given m. Because of this, I just write the formula for sum of the n terms of the AP, that is m by 2, first term plus last term. It is n plus 1 is the first term, but last term is given, that is n times of 2m minus 1. By solving this, we get mn by 2 this is Mn plus 1, right?